mass function of a discrete random variable. The probability mass function PMF of x is denoted by f of x, or P random variable x takes lowercase letter x. It has the following two basic properties. First property, f of x must be non-negative. In symbols, f of x is greater than or equal to 0. F of x is greater than 0 or positive if x is an element of the sample space. F of x is equal to 0 if x is not an element of the sample space. Second property, the sum of the probabilities of all the elements in the sample space is equal to 1. In symbols, sigma f of x is equal to 1. Example, show that f of x is a probability mass function. F of x is equal to 1 over 15 times x if x is an element of S. F of x is equal to 0 otherwise. S contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Solution. Step number 1. Show that f of x is greater than or equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 over 15 times 1. 1 over 15 times 1 is 1 over 15, and 1 over 15 is greater than 0. When x is 2, f of 2 is equal to 1 over 15 times 2. 1 over 15 times 2 is 2 over 15, and 2 over 15 is greater than 0. When x is 3, f of 3 is equal to 1 over 15 times 3. 1 over 15 times 3 is equals to 3 over 15, and 3 over 15 is greater than 0. When x is 4, f of 4 is equal to 1 over 15 times 4. 1 over 15 times 4 is equal to 4 over 15, and 4 over 15 is greater than 0. When x is equal to 5, f of 5 is equal to 1 over 15 times 5. 1 over 15 times 5 is equal to 5 over 15, and 5 over 15 is greater than 0. F of x is 0 if x is not an element of the sample space. This is the meaning of f of x is 0 otherwise. For example, if x is 7, 7 is not an element of the sample space. So there is no chance for 7 to have a probability greater than 0. Another example, if x is 25, 25 is not an element of the sample space. So there is no chance for 25 to have a probability greater than 0. The first property is satisfied. Step number 2. Show that sigma f of x is equal to 1. Sigma f of x is equal to 1 over 15. This is the probability of 1, the first element in the sample space, plus 2 over 15. This is the probability of 2, the second element in the sample space, plus 3 over 15. This is the probability of the 3, the third element in the sample space, plus the 4 over 15. This is the probability of 4, the fourth element in the sample space, plus 5 over 15. This is the probability of 5, the fifth element in the sample space. If you add this together, the sum is 1. The second property is satisfied. Since the two basic properties are satisfied, then f of x is a probability mass function.